Your iPhone's lock screen probably looks something like this. There's nothing wrong with that, do what works for you. But that might also mean changing things up. So here are some ways to customize your iPhone's lock screen. You can make the time text longer or shorter. In iOS 27, you can also tap this button to move the time with the date. This is great for people who want a super minimalist appearance. You can also change the font for the time, but only the default font can be stretched. You can also change it to a different number system, but if you're watching this in English, you probably want to leave it on Arabic Western. Once you have the font you want, you can change between solid and glass, and change the color. You can also change the thickness. Next is widgets. You can add widgets for things like the weather, and what stages are available in Splatoon 3, if you want that for whatever reason. Third-party apps can add their own widgets, so you might be able to put something really useful to you on your lock screen. You can also drag the widgets to take the top part of the space or the bottom part, depending on which one best suits your use case. You can also have some widgets up with the date. Next is the controls section. By default, this is the camera and the flashlight, but you can change each one to a wide selection of options. Set it to use Shazam for music recognition, or have it set a timer, or have two cameras or something. You can also trigger a shortcut from the controls, giving you a lot of power from your lock screen. If this video was helpful, don't forget to leave a like so other people can find it more easily.